Hello students, and welcome back to the English Dating channel. I'm teacher Sarah, and today's lesson is going to be about improving your English by learning how lay and lie are different. Okay students, let's get started. Many English speakers are confused by the difference between lay and lie, even native speakers. What if I said that actually there are three words that are important? These words are lay, a regular verb, lie, an irregular verb, and lie, a regular verb. Lay is a regular verb that means to put down carefully or to put down flat. This verb has an object. We usually use this word in past tense when using the pronoun I. For example, I laid the papers on the table. Lay is a regular verb, so the past form of lay has the ed suffix, or in this case, id, because lay ends in the letter y. Lay, laid. So, I lay the papers on the table. Wrong. I laid the papers on the table. Correct. You can use lay when giving a command or instruction. For example, lay the blanket on the bed, please. There is also a common expression about chickens and eggs. We say that chickens lay eggs, not give birth or drop the eggs. Lie is an irregular verb that means to be down or become horizontal. There is no object. For example, don't lie in bed all day. Let's go do something fun. Lie is an irregular verb, which means the past form of lie does not use the ed suffix. Instead, it uses a different word for the past form. Lie, lay. I lied down and closed my eyes. Wrong. I lay down and closed my eyes. Correct. There is also another verb, to lie, which means to say things that are not true. This is a different word than the irregular verb lie. Okay, students, that's our lesson for today. Please check in the description below for more English learning videos. Also, consider liking, subscribing, and sharing this video. Thanks for tuning in to the English Dating channel.